Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's noun, patient. Patient. So someone, so a person, someone who is getting medical attention. Let's try and get a picture. Medicine, perhaps. Here we are. Medicine. Very good. Let's try and get another one. So let's say hospital. Oh, here we are. Perfect. There we are. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Okay. So when a person is in the hospital with a doctor or nurse. So here we are, hospital. Let's try and get doctor. Doctor. Oh, okay. Hold on. Let's try and get doctor. Doctor. Yeah, there we are. Or let's have a look if there's nurse. Nurse. Okay, not quite. Yeah, nurse. Close enough. Doctor or nurse. Yeah, very good. Very good. Yeah. How cool is that? So, the patient is getting help from the doctor. The patient is getting help from the doctor. The nurse is looking after the patient. Makes sense. How cool is that? Yeah. He is unwell and is a patient in the hospital. Oh, not quite. Yeah, unless we do... Oh, very nice. Yeah. Is a patient in the hospital. The patient has to stay in the hospital. Makes sense. Okay. So then we can say the doctor is responsible for all these patients. The doctor is in charge of these patients. Yeah, so that doctor is in charge of all these patients. How cool is that? Yeah. So patient, singular, one, singular. And patients, 2 plus, plural. So I have a patient to see now. The patient is waiting for me. Patient is waiting for me. I've got to go. These are my first patients for today. Today, Monday. The first patients to see. Those patients have been waiting to see me. Waiting to see me. How cool is that? Yeah. So, when he was a patient, he saw a lot. When he was a patient, he saw a lot at the hospital. He saw a lot of doctors and nurses and people. Okay? He saw a lot of doctors and people when he was a patient. Yeah. So, he is my patient. He is my patient and I am looking after him. She is my patient and I need to care for her. She is my patient, I need to care for her. How cool is that? If he is not careful, he will be in the hospital as a patient. Yes. He has to be careful not to hurt himself, otherwise he will end up in hospital. If he hurts himself, he has to go to hospital. He will be a patient. He will be admitted to hospital. Yeah. How cool is that? How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So a patient, someone who is getting medical, here we are, medical attention. Yes. Who is being seen to by the doctor or nurse. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So patient, yeah. So, can you use patient in a sentence? And if you can, write it in the comments below. And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.